Hey guys, it's DJ Yols 101 and I'm here again with a K-pop Penpal video to tag along. I don't know. So anyways, let's get started, and by starting off we are doing a letter. This letter I'm writing out her name, and then the more private personal stuff will be written on later. The next thing is this little collage paper. I was inspired by XOverlaysX on YouTube, and I kind of developed it onto my own, and then just added on like playlist questions and answers that may happen in there, and I just added on my own flavors of how I wanted to do it. So in this clip right here, more specifically, in the playlist, I've been lately getting into NCT a lot, so I've written down a lot of NCT songs. And then this other clip, I'm just writing out answers in like a really pretty shadowing with my pen, so yeah. The next thing is extras, of course. First off, I printed out a lot of pictures because it was my friend's birthday, my friend Ella, and then I also noticed that she was a big unbiased, and then I just had a lot of cards of that, so I stocked up on those. I also stocked up on stickers for her, which I put in a cute little plastic baggie for her. As you can see from the stickers I picked out two plant ones, a female girl sticker, this triangle sticker, this anime sticker, and these like vintage Japanese stickers that I thought they were really cute. And over here we have a close-up on the finishing touch-up on this collage paper thing, I don't know. We have the questions, answers, and then you have like the cute collage of Suga and Taehyun V, and then on the back of it is the playlist. Next is the letter, all pretty and decorated, which in my opinion for her birthday, so yeah. Hey guys, so I just finished up Ella's letter, and I'm pretty sure from the bottom right here, if it just wants to focus, it's in pink. And yeah, so here it is. So here is the envelope. I decorated it myself. I printed out the thing, and I'm pretty sure throughout the video you know what's in here. I got my photos in here, and my letter, some stickers, some washi tape samples. I'll probably list them out and like show you like a video in the next few parts of what's inside to give you a brief overview, because like I'm that extra.
Here is the letter. I won't be opening it up because I showed you earlier. Some small little quote-unquote photo cards. A sticker little pack for her. Some washi samples. I don't know if you guys can see. This little collage I made with my questions and answers playlist, and I just finished it up. So here it is. So here it is. It looks so good. I can open it up properly. So yeah, I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah. And then here's the back of it. And then the next one is this extras right here, this pack that I did. And the photos right here, which I won't go through because I know I also put it in there, but yeah. And again, here's the envelope that I used. I put a custom inside to it, so it looks like the theme that I wanted, and the theme is pink. I haven't said that already, so yeah.
That's probably it of this overview, so yeah. Bye guys.